have the jack in place under a jack point. You just want to make sure you pick a sturdy place that's part of the structure of the vehicle. And if you can do it in the center, it works out great. If it's in the front, it comes up evenly. You can put the jack stands in, lower it down, and you're ready to go to the back of the car. The height depends on you. The wheels just have to be off the ground, obviously, and it doesn't have to be real high in the air. The higher up in the air it is, it'll be a little easier to work on, but it's whatever you prefer.